Hey y'all, it's me, your girl Rein. I'm here back with another quick video for you. Now, this one is really near and dear to my heart because you know how I'm always telling you that you need to put what the work of your hands is out there, because why? The work of our hands are blessed. I'm always talking to you about finding ways to put your creativity out into the atmosphere, and you can just expect God to bless your efforts. So I'm proud to say that I have partnered with Alive Shoes. Now, if you have not heard of them, you can find them at aliveshoes.com to see what they do. They allow people like you and me to create your own line of shoes. You heard me right. I spent a little bit of time checking them out and decided to fill out the application, and it got accepted. So I'm here to show you the one or the first creation that I came up with out of the 10 that I am going to do, so that you can give me your feedback and, of course, to ask you for your support. We have not because we ask not, right? So I'm asking 6 of you to partner with me and pre-order this shoe so that it actually goes into production. Now, this is not your typical made in China shoe. This is made in Italy of the finest Italian leathers. It's handcrafted. It's limited edition. You'll get a certificate with it. There's so much that they offer. It's amazing. Now, if somebody wants me to do a video walking you through the process with Alive Shoes, I am happy to do that. Just leave me a comment below because I think it's a really great process to go by, and it's super awesome in getting your work out there. So enough of me rambling. Here is the shoe. The website will be attached at the end of the video. And I hope that 6 of you will join me. For anyone who's interested, inbox me. I do have a $30 off coupon for those of you who are really serious. So enough said, here is the shoe. You like it? You like it? You like it? I absolutely love how this came out. And I was fortunate enough to get staff pick. How about that? So I always tell you guys the work of your hands are blessed. This is yet another way to get your voice out there into the world. Check out aliveshoes.com. If you want to see the quality of work that has already been done, go ahead and put Alive Shoes in your YouTube search field, and you'll see some other designers unpackaging their shoes. Whether you like their designs or not, you'll get a chance to see how high quality the work of Alive Shoes really is. Now, again, this ain't made in China, guys. This is handcrafted in Italy, and certain designs that are really premium come with a certificate. This one comes with a certificate of authenticity and a limited edition certificate, which I think is really, really cool because there won't be a lot of these out there. And again, I only need 6 of almost 7,000 of you to partner with me to get this going. So let's support one another. And if you want me to do a video walking you through the aliveshoes.com process, I will do that because I'm already a member. I can show you what the basic versus the pro plan is. And if you want to see that, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll be sure to upload that. As always, thank you for tuning in. Once again, I'll be back with another crafty project for ya. I just wanted to show you this real quick and solicit your support. And if you're with aliveshoes.com, also let me know. I would love to support you as well. Until next project, remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. We'll be back. You all be blessed.